Hey guys, welcome to Ethical Tutorials. Now we are discussing about scanning, and this video is only for educational purpose only. Actually, we discussed about in previous video we discussed about information gathering. Like there are many about detail about information gathering and its types. In the previous video we discussed about footprinting, and in this video we will discuss about scanning. Okay. Scanning is another essential step, and footprinting is the first step, and scanning is the second step. Scanning is a set of procedures for identifying live host, ports, and services, discovering operating system and architecture of target system, identifying vulnerabilities and threat in the network. And scanning is also three types. First one is port scanning. It is used to list open ports and services. And second one is network scanning. It is used to list IP addresses. Third one is vulnerability scanning. It is used to discover the presence of known vulnerabilities. On getting to detail about port scanning, it is a technique used by penetration testers and hackers to search for open ports from which hacker can access any organization system. During this scan, hackers need to find out these live hosts, firewalls installed, operating systems used, different devices attached to the system, and the targeted organization's topology. And second, coming to network scanning, network scanning is used to discover live hosts or computers, IP address, open ports, services that are running on the host computer, operating systems architecture of the target, deals with vulnerabilities in live host. And coming to scanning network scanning methodologies, it is used to check for live systems and check for open ports, and we have various types of scan. First one is connect scan, second one is half open scan or stealth scan, third one is xmas scan or inverse TCP scanning, fourth one is fin scan, fifth one is ACK scan, sixth one is null scan, and seventh one is idle scan. Don't worry if you are not understanding this type of scans. We will discuss detail in the next videos, upcoming videos. And next, coming to the vulnerability scanning. Vulnerability scanning is uses an application, means like about vulnerability scanners, to scan for security weakness in the computers, networks, and other communications equipments in a system. In this scan, we will use automated tools. These automated scanners scan the target to find out vulnerabilities or weakness in the target organizations which can be exploited by the attacker. Vulnerabilities includes application vulnerabilities, configuration vulnerabilities, and network vulnerabilities, operating system vulnerabilities, and many more. And tools for main essential tools for vulnerability scanning is Nessus, Acmatics, and Burpsuit. And coming to types of vulnerabilities, hacker powered scans, internal scans, external scans, application based vulnerability scans, continuous vulnerability scanning, authenticated and unauthenticated scanning. And these are six type of vulnerability scans, and we will discuss about vulnerability softwares also. There are mainly 11 types of vulnerability scannings are there. First one is Qualys, and it is paid software. Second one is OpenVAS, it is free software, and you should be paid after 30 days. Tenable Nessus, and it allows only 16 scans to perform for free, and next are for pro paid. Fourth one is OS Midas, it is free and it is available in GitHub. If you don't know the GitHub, don't worry, we will discuss GitHub in the next classes. And fifth one is Network Mapper, means Nmap, and it is the free tool. And it Rapid7 is the paid tool. Seventh one, Komodo is the paid tool. Next, SolarWinds is also free and free for 30 days. And next thing is pro paid. Ninth one is Tripwire, and it is free, and after 30 days it will be pro, means you have to pay. 10th one is Core Security, it is also free for 30 days, and next and then it is pro means paid, we have to pay the money. 11th one is NetSparker and it is also paid. Okay, now we completed about the scanning. If you are any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. If you really like the video, share the video, subscribe the video, and if comment the video if you have any doubts. And I'm telling you once again, these videos are for only educational purpose only. Don't misuse the videos. Okay, thank you and bye bye.